About to launch Gideon, America's first ever AI threat detection platform built specifically for law enforcement. It scrapes the internet 24/7 using an Israeli-grade ontology to pull specific threat language and then routes it to local law enforcement. It's a 24/7 detective. It never sleeps, and it's going to get us in front of these attacks.
Would it have picked up on this, do you think?
100%. I wish my program would already be up. We're not launching until next week. I've got a dozen agencies on board, Trace. I just unloaded a major Northeast agency.
So let's go ahead and actually talk about what this is. Aaron Cohen's AI surveillance tool and domestic spy machines. In a story that's equal parts dystopian and deja vu, Aaron Cohen, a former IDF operative and actor turned Fox News commentary, recently pitched an AI-powered threat detection system designed to preemptively identify mass shooters and domestic threats. The system, if implemented, would reportedly draw on publicly available data, social media, purchase histories, online behavior. This is the latest in the growing private sector surveillance grid aimed at American citizens operating under the guise of public safety. Cohen isn't a fringe voice in the space. He's been platformed by major news companies, praised for counterterrorism credentials, and is now pushing this surveillance concept on national television. But behind the buzzwords of AI and safety lies something much older and darker: the normalization of mass data collection without oversight. They go on to say that this is unchecked surveillance ecosystem that lacks any meaningful transparency, oversight, or accountability, a description that maps well to Aaron Cohen's proposed Gideon. AI threat detection and mass surveillance without consent. The real issue isn't just the tech, it's the lack of guardrails. License plate monitoring platform Flock, for example, has been responsible for incorrect arrests, misuse by a police lieutenant, and to stalk an estranged wife, and misidentifying vehicles as stolen. Aaron Cohen's claim that he's building the first AI-powered threat detection system seems to be drastically hyperbolic, with SocialNet boosting similar functionality, and Palantir Technologies, who have allegedly already secured hundreds of millions of dollars in government funding, which may be used on similar surveillance tools, which they likely leverage AI. When I see these types of things coming out, claiming that it's safety, and nobody thinks about the dangers of what's really going on, and you see the shootings that are going on, I have to ask myself, is there a deeper agenda to the individuals and the CIA and other entities that might be involved so that they can push these types of things out? If you don't see the problem with this, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't see what they're doing with AI as a whole here in this nation and what's going on, I don't know what to tell you. But I figured I would share. Y'all have a good day.